baby, I'm right here with Aristotle Investment.
Poppy seed, you would think I with you. Hey, what's up? It's your girl, Big Glow, and I'm right here with my boy Aristotle.
I get it.
He about to teach me about these dividends and saving money.
It's your boy DC Young Fly, man. I'm here with my boy Aristotle.
Shout out to Aristotle. I took his class.
Man, this dude is the truth, dog. He just put me on game on like investments, dividends, stock market.
I sit around with a bunch of my friends and we talk about stocks all day now.
Man, I'm telling you, man, it's crazy, stupid knowledge, you dig?
I've learned so much. Aristotle has put my trading level on top.
I done learned so much about stock trading, options in particular. It's really changed my whole life and concept about money and investing.
This dude taking people off the corner, man.
I can honestly just say that, like, before Aristotle, dude, I was trading off of impulse. A little bit of stuff I learned off of YouTube. But this package, it's the real deal. It'll get you trading off of real facts. You'll be able to back check, and you'll be able to know what you're doing, not just jump in because you think it's right.
I really should go check out their campaign if you really got something going on. Y'all know me, I'm trying to get my 100 M's any kind of way I can. Yeah.
This is Aristotle Investments, and welcome to Stock Sundays, where I go over a recap of last week's top news you may have missed, option trade recaps and strategies I take, important data and earnings to look forward to, a watch list for next week, and if you stay to the end, I do a live Q&A and $200 Cash App giveaway, $50 to 4 people. Tap in.
What's going on? What's going on, folks? It's your boy Aristotle. Full throttle, all right, with the Rari, all right? So let me go ahead and get this thing situated. How y'all doing? Tell me where y'all from. Where y'all tapping in from. All right, first and foremost. Where y'all tapping in from? Let's see. All right, here we go. Let's see where y'all tapping in from. We got Dallas, Memphis, Brooklyn, Bama. Said this man helping people off the corner, man. Oh yeah, for sure. Everybody in here. Bama. Let's get it. Nice. Okay. Lit. All right, so you guys know what time it is. Stock Sundays. All right, so let's get into it. So we got recap of last week's news, recap of trades I took, and we're going to look at some data, some earnings, and a watch list. Y'all know the drill. All right. So news recap. Let's see what we got. We got Elon Musk, who said Tesla has the potential to make Tesla AI has the potential to make Tesla the most valuable company in the world. Tesla CEO Elon Musk will end up making 250K Cybertrucks per year. All right. So that's dope. It's actually not a bad truck. I might just get that truck, that Cybertruck, even though I'm pretty sure it's sold out, but I'll wait. I'll get mine one day. Disney ESPN has been making a lot of money, $13 billion in revenue, great acquisition by Disney. And Apple, of course, is focusing on AI and going to make Siri very AI generative. So I talked to a robot the other day, and that thing was dope. Let's see this good camera view one more time. All right, we looking good. All right. So yeah, shout out to that. So we're gonna make this one short and easy, this Stock Sundays. So trade recaps, trades I took, let's talk about it. So this person right here in the chat made 22K, shout out to KJ. Bullish, Mojo Jojo made 15K in a day. All right, so these guys are making some pretty good money in the stock market. And then we have this person who made 9.5K in a month. So these are still some of the same testimonials from last week, but just great testimonials. Great idea of what you'll get when you join Honey Drip. Consistency and big gains, big days, all right? Consistency. So that's what we focus on the most. All right, consistency. And then, of course, we're going to have big money players in the market, but it's really about consistency because you're only as strong as your weakest link. All right, and here is my pretty much stats. All right, so these are my stats from last week. Swing trades, I went 100%. KO, Wells Fargo, Walmart, and BRK.B puts. Wells Fargo actually went to 100%, but yeah, KO. So I did 4 swing trades last week, which in total made about $600. So we were doing good. And this is on a small account challenge, by the way. So this is very good signal calling right here that we did for the small account challenge. So I pretty much tell you the contracts I buy and everything, and you can copy it verbatim. I only missed 2, and they were both day trades. But swing trades, swinging has been crazy. I've hit like 14 of the 14. I hit my last 14 swings, so pretty dope. And if you want to tap in, get into my chat, click the link in the description. All right, make sure you guys click the link in the description and you can tap in. And then we have our 2K to 10K challenge, that small account challenge that you guys see. So please tap in when you're ready. This will be a great opportunity for anybody, all right? So biggest movers and losers, let's get into it. We have biggest movers, which is Netflix, AT&T, ABOT, Lulu, Monster. And then we have biggest losers, which is Tesla, which is one I really think about buying on a dip. And I might go check out Airbnb's stock a little bit, Oracle, Baba. Not really interested in Chinese stocks. All right. And then we have data and important news, probably some crazy stuff going on next week. Lots of earnings, new home sales. Nothing really too major going on. Let's see, durable goods, pending home sales, weekly unemployment claim, the same usual. But these earnings are crazy. We got a lot of earnings coming up. Okay, so we got Coca-Cola, which I banked on, Microsoft, Verizon, Alphabet, Visa, Meta on Wednesday, Amazon, you know, who else we be doing? Spotify. Who else? UPS, ExxonMobil, AbbVie. Okay, so we got a lot of earnings. This is a big earnings week. Probably going to be a lot of choppy action, but at least we banked last week, so we're going to see. All right. And make sure everybody hit the like button. That would be greatly appreciated. Please hit the like button. And let's get into this watch list, folks. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to get right back out of here. And actually we can do that here. I'm going to type in SPY, and then we're going to go to the daily chart. And then we're going to reset chart view. All right. So SPY is literally right here by the 200 MA, which is this orange line you see right here. And if we kind of come out some, we can kind of see it full screen now. I think you guys like this full screen view. So yeah, SPY broke trend, which was this pink line. Let's see, oh, it's locked. Okay. Can't really do anything. Nah, this thing has to go right there. So it did break trend, but it is coming to this line right here. So this was a retest of here. Breaking retest of here. So let me get out of this thing. So we have a line going across here, which is where SPY is. We can make that a green line. All right. Let me delete all of these indicators so I don't confuse you guys. All right, so SPY is right here in this area, breaking retest of this area. Came back down, it bounced last time right here. It does have the 200 in May, like literally right here. So that's something I'm pretty much banking on that we bounce. Let's look at the RSI real quick. The RSI is not oversold, so that is something that, and it's only a 1-day breakout. So if SPY bounces up from here, it would literally be a false breakout. So if we turn bullish, even though this candle did break trend, it's only one candle break. And it broke trend and went straight to support here. So who knows, maybe it could tap here and then fly upward on some bullish engulfing type situation. And then next thing you know, the market is going, if that happens, that would be dope. A bullish engulfing off the 200 in May. Like, let's just say, let me get me a tool out. Here we go. And let's make this green. Yep, green. So let's just say we get a bullish engulfing here off the 200 in May. That would be crazy. We have a big Monday, big old bullish day. That would be crazy, but that's just wishful thinking. We do have this 200 in May right here, so that's really all that matters. I'm thinking we bounce, and then QQQ is also holding support here as well. So even if we come down a little bit, I think we should at least hold support for earnings week, you know, unless bad data comes out. But so it's literally right at support. QQQ is right at support. This third touch, again, revisiting this line, so we shall see. And if it breaks, you know, of course we got to buy puts, but it just really looks ready to bounce. And then Tesla looks amazing here. Tesla at this area, oh yeah, this area looks amazing. Check that area out where Tesla is. And then Tesla, not only is that area, see it bounced before this area, use this area as resistance after breaking support here. So this used to be a line of support, then it turned resistance, fell down, then it came back, turned into support, and now it's back at support. So, and another key component is it's oversold on the RSI. So it's right at the 200 in May, right back at this area that it loves to get bought at, this 212 area. Could potentially bounce, one of my favorite plays, looking for a Tesla bounce. I'm just going by technicals. Technicals is by the 200 in May, ready to bounce. Everything is at key levels of support. So, you know, I personally like to buy off key levels of support. That's just my perspective. But, you know, just how I like to roll. Buying at key levels of support. I like Tesla. Who is this? Amazon. So Amazon, has a long time before it's a trend, but it does have this trend line right here. Could use this as a trend line. Who knows? Could this be the second touch? Doubt it, but we shall see. Who knows? Could be, though. Has a gap to fill still. I really like Tesla and SPY as dip buys. Still has a gap to fill right here. Still within range. Oh yeah, Meta. I'll save Meta for another time. AMD is another one I like. Who is this? NVIDIA back at support. AMD broke out of this falling wedge. Look like it's going to break and retest. I already told you guys. Looks like AMD will break and retest right here. And this will be a great buy right here. I would swing calls for sure. So let's just say we get a little pullback tomorrow. If we get a pullback here to the 200 May to AMD, for sure is a great buy. Because it's a break and retest of support. Two supports here. Could be an excellent buy right here. What is this? the $99 $100. So yeah, AMD hits $100. $99 to $100 is a good bounce for AMD. Looks good, and I'll tell you why. Because of this one, plug. All right, so the last time we saw a break-in retest of a falling wedge and what it did, and yes, we caught this move. Last time we saw that, remember that, the last falling wedge, boom, then it broke out, came back down to support down here, and this is the most excellent time to buy AMD. So AMD at the $99 to $100, 101 range, wherever that is, that's where you need to buy, and I think it's going to do what Plug did, and we're going to get a nice bounce. So even if we come down tomorrow just a little bit, I personally think the dip should be bought. That's my theory. This is your boy Aristotle. I hope you guys win. That's just my opinion. This is not financial advice. This is all opinionated statements. Make sure you tap in. Link in my bio. We are the best honey drip trading, and God bless all of you. I'm going to go and take my wife to a party. God bless.